Good morning. I am coming to you from the inner world, and today I'm going to be exposing you to some good, bad, and not so great parts of the inner world, which is called my closet. Hello guys, so today I'm finally doing the closet cleanup, and I say finally because this has been a long time coming. I have been in a funk for a while, and I think that cleaning out my closet is one of the first steps out of that messy space. You know what I mean? Like when your head is not in the right place, most likely your closet is not in the right place as well. Plus, it's fall, and I'm just cleaning out things that are long overdue, like out of the closet. Out with the old, in with the new, basically. So I'm just going to show you guys what my life looks like right now, and I hope that you're not gonna judge me. No judgment zone here, please. Okay, so I have a very small closet. Well, relatively small depending on who's looking at it. And I have tried my best to organize it and add some space savers. So this is my main closet right here, but I have like things scattered in other closets around the house, and I also have some things in drawers. But today we're going to focus on this closet because slow and steady wins the race. I definitely don't want to overwhelm myself, because you know how it is. You start something, you get overwhelmed, and you just put it off, which is what I've done with this closet for like months now. This is long overdue, so I'm ready to just kind of do a full revamp. Plus, I'm in that phase where like I said in my past videos, I'm in that phase where I'm transitioning my style, and I'm kind of elevating some of the pieces that I've owned for a while, and I'm becoming more intentional with the pieces that I take into my closet. It's a process. So I want to give myself time to kind of ease into it, to let go of some things, and also use that as an internal cleansing. Sometimes you need to cleanse your outsides to also feel cleansed on the insides. Letting go of the old things, letting go of old habits, letting go of behaviors that haven't served me, while also doing that with my closet. So guys, I probably will be doing like a time lapse and try my best to start somewhere. We're probably not gonna finish today, but we're gonna start somewhere, because that's always a good place to start, starting somewhere. And then I'll work my way up and see how much I can get through today. I'll probably split this video into two, and we'll see what's in this dungeon. Okay, so where do you guys think we should start? So I have like clothes here and on the other side, and then I have like shoes up there, purses. I have more shoes here. So I think I'm gonna start with shoes. That's kind of like the low-hanging fruit here. I'm probably just gonna get rid of shoes that I don't need. I already started that low-key, putting some stuff in a box that I don't need, and probably things that need to be trashed and things that need to be donated. I'm probably gonna donate those. And
years later.
Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so I wasn't as excited as I am right now when I was recording this. This was about 2 hours later. I was finally done with the shoes. These are in the giveaway pile, so I started organizing them into boxes and bags so I could take them to Goodwill and basically give them away. So you can see how many things I actually brought out. Like I wasn't even having mercy on myself, I would not lie, because usually I'm a huge hoarder. But this time around I was like, once I second guess something, if I haven't won it in months, it's going in the giveaway pile for sure. This is everything. I have shoes filled in the cubby holes and my bags in the bigger cubby holes. So I was able to organize by color and style, and just the easiest way for me to be able to reach these things basically. And I also have some of my other shoes here. So shoes that I wear more often, I put them here so I can easily reach for them. You can see that there's still some space left. Before I started this, all the space was like literally packed. So I have some more space for new items, which is great. And then I also put some things on the floor of the closet as well, like the boots, because it's fall. And I have everything all packed up and ready to go drop off at the consignment store, which I did take a trip that same day to just go drop them off because I didn't want to hold on to them any longer. I had to just give them away before I changed my mind. Thanks for coming along with me, guys. This was great.